You've been working for years, building, managing, making decisions. Decisions that affect plant operations, bottom lines, future growth, and people's lives. We know your concerns. In fact, we've built our business around those concerns. When Hydro was founded, our mission was to reduce our customers' operational downtime through quality inspection and repairs. As we grew, we recognized there was more we could offer to help our customers meet their challenges, increase their revenue, and achieve their goals. Their goals became our goals, and together we grew stronger, more adaptable, smarter. With over 50 years of experience supporting pump users around the world, Hydro is uniquely positioned to understand the challenges you face and meet them head-on with comprehensive capabilities that go far beyond repair. Hydro has spent years building a total support solution to reduce overall costs, avoid unexpected failures, ensure reliability, train and educate, and respond to any emergency at any time. We know what service means, and we prove it every day. Our network of service centers is worldwide, and our responsive team is only one call away. This is where relationships are built and trust is earned, where prevention is as important as response time, and where knowledge is shared and goals are aligned. A partner must be trusted, seasoned and proven, willing to go those extra miles that really matter, aligned with your goals, your success, your future. With powerful capabilities and proactive solutions. At Hydro, we know that keeping your costs down means more than survival. It means creating a sustainable operation through efficient practices. It means a future where innovation and experience merge and continued growth is more than possible, it's expected. It means a partnership. We're ready.